Hello everyone. In today's class we will discuss about the various factors which determine the location of steam power plant. So we know that a steam power plant should have low cost and high thermal efficiency. First factor is availability of raw material. We know that steam power plant using coal or oil as a fuel require very large amount of fuel per annum for generation of electrical energy. If the steam power plant is coal-based, it should be located near the coal mines so the transportation cost of fuel is minimum. Next factor is availability of water. We know that steam power plant use water as a working fluid throughout the year, which is repeatedly evaporated and condensed. It should be need about 2% of steam generated as makeup water due to its losses. And we know that the huge amount of water is required for the condenser and conversion into steam for steam turbine. Therefore, thermal power station should be located at the bank of river or near the canal so that we have continuous supply of water. Next factor is transportation facilities. The power station should have the transportation facilities such as road and rail for transportation of material and machinery which is used in power station. Next factor is land requirement or nature of land and its cost. We know that the average land required is 3 to 4 hectare per megawatt capacity and the cost of the land adds to the total cost of power station and therefore it should be available at a cheap rate, which means it should be away from the heart of the city. The selected site should have high bearing capacity to withstand dead load of the plant. So it would reduce the cost of the foundation of the plant. Next factor is near to load center. The power station should be located near to the load center to minimize the transmission line cost of electrical energy and the losses occurring in it. Next factor is away from the populated area. The steam power plant produces smoke and fumes by burning of the huge amount of the fuel. This pollutes the atmosphere, hence power plants should be located at considerable distance from populated areas. Next factor is ash disposal facilities. Ash produced after burning of coal is about 20 to 40% of the weight, that is 1500 to 2000 tons per day. Thus, it becomes more serious problem as it comes out in hot condition and is highly corrosive. Therefore, there must be a sufficient space available for disposal of large quantity of ash. The ash from the power plant is used for many industrial process, therefore disposal problem does not arise. Other factor also we should consider like that availability of labor, pollution and away from airfields and the future expansion of the power plant. Thank you.